In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on TurboTax. Whether you've got a new phone or just need to update your contact information, changing your phone number within TurboTax is a simple process that ensures you stay connected with the service. This is especially important when it comes to receiving important updates or verification codes. So, let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to TurboTax Online for the year 2295. This should be the version you're using for managing your taxes this year. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your personal information. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do so now using your credentials. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the section labeled My Info. This is where all your personal information is stored, and it's the hub for making any changes. Click on My Info, and you'll be directed to a page displaying your personal details, such as your name, address, and contact information. On the My Info page, look for the section that says Address and Phone. This is where you can edit your contact details. Click on Address and Phone, and a new page will open up with fields that can be modified. Now, you should see an option that says Revisit. This is a handy feature that allows you to go back and make changes to your existing information. Click on Revisit to proceed. This will bring up a screen where you can edit your current phone number. At this point, you'll want to enter your new phone number. Make sure to double-check that you've entered all the digits correctly, as this number will be used for important communications regarding your TurboTax account. Once you've entered the new number, review the information to ensure its accuracy. After you've entered your new phone number and confirmed that all the details are correct, the last step is to save the changes. Look for a button at the bottom of the page that says Save or Update and click it. This action will finalize the update to your phone number in the TurboTax system. And there you have it. Your phone number on TurboTax has been successfully updated. It's always a good idea to keep your contact information current to ensure you don't miss out on any critical updates from TurboTax. If you have any issues or need further assistance, TurboTax's support team is just a click away. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tax filing.